What's up, everybody? I just want to say hello and thank you for watching this video. I wanted to dedicate this video to my grandmother, Peggy Tachawika of the Comanche Nation. She and my grandfather were definitely the glue that held our family together, and I'm confident that they taught us well enough that we'll continue to be that glue that holds our family together. They spent their life serving God, traveling around the United States, giving word and praise, and come back home to run the Church of the Nazarene in Cache, Oklahoma, a small country town where they did it for many years. And she lived a happy and a long life, and I want to dedicate this film to her. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Say hi, bud.
Hi.
We're at Lake Lawtonka, y'all. That's the mountain we were up on top of yesterday, Mountain Scott. Gonna go see if we can find a spot to throw some fishing poles and swim. Stay tuned. Hot one. Little creek. Yeah, buddy. About to have to take a dip. Come on, buddy. Just gonna throw some lures. Got the GoPro on the chest. Me and Little Creek. Let me throw these Crocs in the four-wheel drive. Go ahead. Yeah. Throwing a little slab, a little spoon slab. He's throwing a crankbait. You'll be all right. The water, Lake Lawtonka. Herman, come over here by me, right here. I'll get it. Let me just wait. I got it. Hold my pole.
That's my lure.
8-pound test, monofilament. Pretty good heavy spoon for slab. Yeah, you're gonna get in the trees. Yeah. Keep trying. You're doing good, buddy.
My people put the stuff on anyway.
Huh.
They got to have their way with it, but they won't let an Indian do that, man. That's bad.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for the cowboy to give us money. I found out our chairman was driving to Las Vegas gambling with his girlfriend. I was like, God dang, so we go to our money.
Hello, Billy. We're at the
Yeah.
lake right
We're
now.
looking catch something, bro. We're catching them. Check it out, Nelson Creek. They got perch over there too.
Okay. We'll try, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate the information.
Oh, really?
And Ellsworth, they got
Yeah,
silver,
we're
they got silver
over
town cat.
here at the lake and they're fishing.
Catfish over there.
Yeah,
at
I heard about
Lake
Ellsworth.
Lawtonka.
Yeah. That's a good fish there too.
Yeah.
it is.
All right, man. We appreciate it.
Catch you next time.
Oh, you bet.
Man, I bet you I could throw a football over the mountains over there. Man, I wish I could go back in time. I'd take state. Sure would. Switch to blue and chrome rattle trap. Treble hook in the front, small spoon in the back. See what's good. I think I got hit. Man. Good cast. Ooh, that thing looks pretty swimming.
Mama can barely catch. Mama can barely catch. Okay, come on. Mama, hold on, I can barely catch. Hold on. Hold on, I can barely catch. Mom, don't come right here.
And it sure is beautiful out here. They said it's beautiful out here. Man, that backdrop is to die for. Fish is just a bonus, you know, just being out here is what it's all about. I tell people all the time, just get out there and go have some fun. No matter if you know what you're doing, you'll learn, you'll get better. You'll figure things out. Better than being at home in front of TV on some video games or whatnot. Sure is a good way to beat the heat. Get inside this water. Really? We can't catch some bait.
Shad? Is there shad out there?
I'm about to catch some. Got a big old hole. Where? No. Which nets? That my other smaller net that's easier to throw had a hole. Taco Tuesday. Yeah, I got one. Baby largemouth. Look at that. I think that's what that is. It's not a bait fish. We gotta put him back. Man, it looks like got the spots of a largemouth, but I don't know about that orange fin.
Let me go show my mom.
Somebody tell me what that is. Ooh, it's pretty, but I don't want to keep it.
Let me show my mom.
No, nope.
Mom, it's so pretty.
I don't know. Ah, terrible throw. Water lure. Nah, you didn't fool me. Oh! I broke my top water lure. I lost it. Back on the rattle trap, blue and chrome. And a little creek over there turned into a fish. He went from a fisherman to being a fish. Ain't nothing wrong with that, boy. Have fun, okay?
Yeah, let him see me go underwater like a fish, okay?
All right.
Okay, so where I am? From where I am. They can't see me.
Couple more dips and you can think like a fish. You're funny. So we are on our way to go eat. We didn't catch anything, but it was just amazing being out there with great backdrop views like that of Mount Scott. We're on our way to Medicine Park to eat at the Old Plantation Cafe. Excellent food, excellent. But just because I didn't catch a fish doesn't mean I'm not gonna eat any fish. Thinking fried catfish is what I'm thinking. What you eating?
I don't know, chicken fried steak sounds good, a fried catfish, maybe a steak and fish, shrimp, I don't know.
Easy there, Slim. But I'm excited to get to show you how pretty this place is. We're taking the scenic route, and I ain't never been back this way. I usually go a different direction. Oh wait, look at this. Y'all catch anything?
Not yet, we just got out here.
All right, good luck.
Hopefully.
See, I need to talk to local fishermen like that so I can get some knowledge on this lake. Here, you can always tap the screen and come back and show you. Not a bad way to beat the heat. Here's where we're gonna eat. Old Plantation Restaurant. Yeah, this is cool out here. Well, see you inside. Inside the Old Plantation, me and my cousin Miles.
What's up?
We just had a good time at the lake. Some of the Jesse James is alive in Lawton. And that's funny. There's an interesting story on that about my grandma's land. Supposedly he hid out on our land, and I don't know the exact story. I'm gonna get some details, but they snuck him out dressed like an old Comanche woman, and there's supposedly some gold buried somewhere on our land. Yeah, so who knows? Check this out. Welcome to the Old Plantation Restaurant, built in 1906, listed on the National Register of Historic Places, December 15, 1980, currently owned by Rex and Ruby Grandma Leaf. We have been serving fine food for 31 years, and it is good. So, can't wait to show you the catfish.
Good. Can I get y'all started with something to drink? I'll have
Beef chips. Aha. Say hello to the camera. Hello. Say hi. Say, we like to catch fish. My baby girl. Rolls with some cinnamon butter. This salad goes hard. That's a raspberry vinaigrette and black pepper. It goes hard. There it is. Look. Wow.
This is the bomb diggity.
Woo. We all got catfish. Even Donnie got some catfish. Little Creek. Mac and cheese. Mama Bear. Okay. Give y'all a taste test. Okay, without. It's fresh. It's crunchy. Seasoned perfectly. Really good. I'm gonna try that tartar sauce now. Not bad. I can dig it. But let's see what Little Creek thinks. What do you think? Good? He's tired. Them grilled vegetables, they're no joke. But every side is awesome. This is my son's green beans. And they're amazing, right? We just got done busting face. Stomach is hurting. And it never disappoints. Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge. Come to Medicine Park. Come to the Old Plantation Restaurant and have a great meal. Make a vacation out of it. They got cabins around here. They got Camp Doris if you got RVs. They got plenty of places to fish and swim. Whole bunch of hiking trails. Beautiful, beautiful dams. It's just beautiful out here. And matter of fact, my cousin Willie told me he used to be tribal administrator for the Comanche Nation. He told me this is the oldest mountain range in the United States or North America, one of the two. Older than the Rockies. So, I mean, it's not as big, but it's older. And there's a history there. So, come on out and enjoy yourself. I guess this is the part where we say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we appreciate you. God bless you all. Thank you very much.